January 2nd, 2024, in St. Pete Beach, Florida, police arrived at a dentist's office.
You can just leave, it doesn't matter. They told me I didn't have to pay, I could just leave.
After hearing that a woman was causing a disturbance.
Ma'am, sit down.
But what started as a routine visit quickly escalated when the woman completely lost it.
Around. I'm trying to stop, get off of me!
This is what happened next.
Hi, thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, of course.
She's over here.
Okay.
Why can't they just do what they need to freaking do? Why, like...
Alright, what's going on?
Oh, so they called the cops. They have the cops here now.
Alright, what's going on?
There is nothing here. All I asked was just for my documentation about what happened here and what went on. And they refused to give me my paperwork. And that's all I asked. That's it. I don't understand why it's a problem or an issue for me to get my documentation of what happened today.
Did I refuse to give it
Yes,
to you?
you refused to give it to me and you told me no.
I said,
no.
I said she just left the chair. I
didn't-
was unable to have documentation
I didn't just-
until I
Wait, let
compile
her
it.
finish. Okay.
Until I compile it. I asked her if she would like to come back for it,
Okay.
then she can come back for it.
Okay, do you understand her?
No, ma'am. Please. Because I was sitting
I'm not
in
going to
that-
argue with you.
I'm
about
not
this.
trying to argue with you, ma'am. Just how
She
you
said
allowed,
that you can have the documentation, just not right now.
just how you allowed her to talk, I'm asking for the same respect.
Alright, let's go outside and talk.
I'm asking for the same respect. Why is that an issue? That I'm asking for the same respect that you just gave to this woman, but you're not giving it to me.
Okay, what's going on?
The problem is, I was sitting down, okay, waiting to get the documentation before I got the documentation, which was asking for the things that were done here today. They told me, oh, you don't have to pay, you can just leave, it doesn't matter. They told me I didn't have to pay, I could just leave. When I told them I had the money to pay for today, and what happened today. And
So what's the issue?
the issue is all I want is documents that happened today so that way I
Okay.
can take it and I can get the work
Okay.
done that I need it done.
You heard what she said, right? You can get it later.
But why is it an issue for me to get it?
Okay. Here, Alright, can you hang up the phone? He's not part of this right now.
Okay, so I can come back later and pick them up?
I told her I would mail them to her address because
They
of
don't
the,
have an address on.
and I asked her to write it down.
Alright,
and
hang up
she
the
wouldn't.
phone. This person's not a part of it. Okay. Alright, so you're gonna have to leave the property now. And if you come back here and cause more issues, we're gonna have a bigger issue, okay? They do not have the documents ready for you right now, and that's the end of it.
That's it, cool, okay. They'll shoot me nothing but what? But when's the next?
Because they don't have an address or a place to send it to.
She
that's
does
why.
need
So
to write
can you
that.
give her one?
Why? They already told me I have to leave. I have to leave the premises right
You
now.
want, if you want them sent to you, then give them the address. It's very simple.
What address? How?
And, you know,
They just told me to leave the premises and I can come back and pick it up later, right? Why do I have to have it mailed? Why can't I come and
Well,
pick
it's
it up?
gonna take me a minute to do it, and the way she was acting, I couldn't have her. If you guys are sitting here with her, I'll do it.
But I don't care. It's up to
She
you
was.
guys.
That's fine. I don't have to. I just want my mail to stay here while you're here. I'm just, when I can come back and pick up my documentation, I will come back and pick
she's
it
gonna
up.
print it up right now. while we're
Okay, alright, just come
I
outside.
don't know. I don't want, no.
We're gonna wait outside and she's gonna print it up while we're here.
I thought she just said that they can't.
Yeah, go wait outside.
Just wait outside.
Alright, well,
Fuck off outside. Go wait the fuck outside and she'll print it for you.
Yes, Daddy.
I mean, wait when it's done.
I don't care. Whatever.
Are you gonna wait for the documents or not? Hello?
The woman walked around the block to calm down, but decided to return 15 minutes later.
We came back.
I'm just waiting for
Okay.
the paper that they said that they were just about to bring out.
Yeah, and then you left, so we thought you left.
No, I left to go for a walk so I can calm down. I didn't leave,
Okay.
but you told me to come back in here when everything was done. So that's what I was doing.
I just told you to wait outside, then you...
That's what I was doing outside. I was waiting.
Okay,
I
alright,
went
can
for a
you
walk.
just sit down and we'll get your documents here in a minute.
I'll go for another walk again and wait.
Okay, don't go for a walk, just stay here. I don't need you to walk around everywhere. I need to find where you're at so we can just give you the documents. I'm sure it'll be
I
just
can
another
come
minute.
back when the documents are done and I can go for a walk until then. I don't understand why it's a problem for me to just step outside and go for a walk. And
Okay, can
wait.
you just step outside and just wait there? Because once they get the documents, we can just hand it to you. I can't be here all day while you're going on
You
a
don't
walk.
have to be here all day. I can come back in a few minutes when the paperwork is done. I don't understand why that's a problem.
Okay. Can you just stay here for 1 minute and then we'll get you your documents, okay?
I don't understand why
You're making a bigger
I'm
issue than it
not
needs to be.
trying to make an issue. I'm not trying to make a problem. Why can't I go for a walk until this is done? Why do I have to?
How much longer till the documents are ready? Okay.
So can I go for a walk until it's done?
No, stay here, or we're gonna be trespassing you from here. Okay.
Why
Just
can't
stay
I get my
here.
papers?
Just stay here. They're getting the papers. I'm not gonna babysit.
You don't have to babysit. I said I would come back in a little bit when this
Okay.
is done. I can give you a call first, and then when they're done, I can call you, and we can come here together if you want.
Just stay here for a minute.
I don't want to do that. I just want to leave so that way I can go and finish what I had to do today.
They're working on it.
And they're taking a long time, so I can't go for a walk because I have to
Well,
go fill out an application and an interview right now.
Okay. You left. Okay,
Yes.
we saw you leave. I hung out here for another 5 minutes. You clearly weren't coming back. I told them you left.
I never said I wasn't coming back. I never said I
How
wasn't.
am I supposed to know? I can't read your mind.
You can't read my mind. Okay, you don't know what I'm going to do or what I have to do. I had an appointment to go at another place that's near here that I missed an appointment.
Okay, that's not my fault.
And okay, that's fine. So I went to go and take care of what I had to take care of. And
Okay.
I came back so that way I can get the
You
paperwork.
can let us know what you're doing just so we know, hey, you're coming back. Because I was about to leave. And then they're going to have to call me back out here again, and we're going to have another issue.
So then if you want to sit here and wait while I go and do what I have to do, fine.
No, we're not doing this. I'm not playing games with
I'm
you.
not trying to play games. I have an appointment somewhere else that I have to be at.
Okay, then do you want to come back later today for the documents?
I can come back whenever I need to come back for the paperwork and whenever the paperwork is done. That's not a problem. I don't mind coming back when the
Okay,
paperwork is
you
done.
had an issue with it earlier today.
No, I did not.
You did. That's why I was called here, because you
I
had an
never
issue with
had
it.
an issue with
I'm not
that.
playing games with you.
I never had an issue coming back to pick up my paperwork, but they told me that I wasn't going to be able to get it for a while.
Okay, just hang on one second. Let me see how much longer it's going to be.
I have another appointment that I had to get to. And
Okay, you're going to have to wait.
What do you mean they? It's not they. It's a... Why can't I just come back after I finish what I had to finish there, and then I can finish my and then I can come and pick up the documentation, and I can call
Just
you
wait
when
a
I'm done
second.
there.
Is it ready?
2 more minutes, he's finishing his note real quick. That's why I said it would be better if she came back.
Right, well,
But I prefer her
now-
not to come back, ever.
Okay, so she's going to be trespassed?
Yes.
Okay,
And then,
so you hear this. Okay, if you leave the property and come back, you'll be arrested.
I
If
just
you
want
leave
my
right now, you cannot come back.
I
Okay?
just want my paperwork.
Okay, wait 2 minutes, and you'll have your paperwork. Okay? Do you understand? If you return this property, you will be arrested.
And
I don't mind that. I don't care about that.
Okay, so
That's
you
fine. I just want my documentation so I can take it to my new doctor. So
Okay.
that they can do what they need to do. Since they don't want me here.
Moody. Okay. So, like I said, you're just going to have to wait here, because if you leave and come back, you're getting arrested.
I can't get my paperwork and documentation, and then if I leave and come back,
I'm telling
you're
you.
not able to come back anymore, so
No.
you would likely have to wait.
I have to wait.
You
2
have to be
minutes for
here
what?
and
Let me write down my information or whatever.
Okay,
so-
ma'am, sit down.
I'm not a dog. I'm not sitting down like I'm a dog. I'm not a dog.
Stay right there. You're not moving anywhere. You're waiting for your documents. Unless you want to leave, then you're going to be trespassed, and you'll be arrested if you return.
I want my paperwork.
Come sit down. You're not blocking the
I'm not
doorway.
a dog.
Who's
I'm not a
talking
dog.
94?
For what?
We need to back up here in case I have to go hands-on with you. Come sit down right
For
now.
what?
Come sit down.
Hands on with me for what? All I asked was for my papers. I don't understand why this is an issue.
Excuse me.
Use 12 for right now.
I'm not refusing anything. I didn't know. I'm asking for my documents.
Get out of the doorway. You're not going to be blocking the doorway for all these other
I'm
customers.
not blocking the doorway for anything. The door's open. Anyone can come in here. I'm not blocking anyone.
Ma'am, I do not want to go hands-on with you. Can you come sit down right now?
I'm not a dog.
Who called you a dog?
You're telling me to sit down like I'm a dog.
Yes,
I'm not
get
a
out of the
dog.
door. Okay, fine. Come stand by this wall. Get out of this doorway right now.
Why? Because I'm asking for my papers?
Yes. Come stand over here.
I don't understand why.
Okay,
it's a
all right.
problem. For what?
Okay, go stand over there right now.
I'm not a dog.
You're not going to be blocking the doorway.
I'm keeping the door open. Anyone can come in here at any time.
Okay,
if
my
they
partner's
need
going to come in there. All right, do you have your ID on you?
No, I do not.
All right. Get off the phone.
No, I'm calling my mom.
Get off the phone.
You can't tell me I can't call my mom.
Come sit over here. All right, she's trespassed. They're getting her documents right now.
I'm waiting.
She wants to be
They told me to
argumentative
wait.
with me. I
Mom.
told her to sit down. She wants to call her mom and stay in the doorway.
Mom, they're refusing
Go wait
to give me
outside.
my issue. They refuse to
All
give
right,
me my
let's go
paperwork.
outside.
No, I'm not
Let's go
doing
outside.
anything. They
You
told
go
me
to
to wait
jail.
2 minutes
Hey,
for my paperwork. I'm waiting for my paperwork. I'm opening, the door's open, wide open.
Go outside and go to
That's
jail.
an issue.
Alright,
Why am I getting arrested? For what? Why am I being
Get up and go
held?
outside.
Okay, I'll get
Get up
out.
and go
I
outside.
just wanted my paperwork. Why is that a problem?
Get up and go outside because you're not listening. Get
I'm
up and
not
go
listening
outside.
for what
This
I
is
just-
a business.
Okay, and that's fine. Mom.
Get up and get outside now.
Okay, if you do not get up right now, you're going to jail.
That's it.
Just
All
go
right,
out. No, I'm going outside. I'm going outside.
No,
I'm outside.
I'm not playing games
I'm
with you.
outside. I'm not playing any games. I'm not playing any games. I'm outside. I'm outside. Mom! Mom, get off of me. What am I? I'm not resisting. Oh, I'm not resisting. No, I'm not. I'm not
Turn around.
resisting. I'm not resisting.
Turn around.
Oh, you're hurting me.
Turn around.
I'm trying to stop. Get off of me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Please.
Turn away.
Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach!
Mom, you're resisting me. Please stop. Mom, stop. I'm not resisting. Stop. You're hurting me.
Turn around.
Oh, please. Oh, please.
Get a cuff on me.
Yep, I'm coming.
Oh, stop. Oh.
Right now.
Why are you doing this? I just wanted my documentation. Why are you doing this?
I got one, Kev.
Oh.
Trying to get the other one.
Hey, stop!
Turn you around.
You're gonna get hurt if you don't comply. And that's by your own accord. Hey, release your hands!
I don't want to go to jail, please.
You want to get tased?
No, please.
Let go of your
In the
hands!
back now.
I want to go.
Hey!
Please. I just wanted my documentation.
Then you should have
Hey!
listened.
Stop resisting!
I was listening. I was listening.
You are not listening.
I can't breathe.
Stop. Stop.
All right.
Stop.
Hey! All right, I'm sorry.
What is it? Please, I just wanted my paper.
We have one customer.
Why? I asked for my paper. Why? No,
Knock it off.
I'm not doing anything.
Yes,
I'm
you
just
are.
laying
Sit up.
here.
Freaking just four of us.
Come on, sit
I'm
up!
not fighting anybody. I'm not fighting anyone. Ow,
I'll tell you.
stop.
Stand up.
You're hurting me.
Then stand up.
You're hurting me.
Stand up!
I am. You're hurting me.
Nobody is hurting you.
up.
Stand up.
Get up. You're hurting me. Stop. Stop. Ah, you're
Stop.
Stop.
Stand still!
Why are you doing this? Why are you? I just wanted my paper. I just wanted my paper. Why is this a problem? Why would I call my mom and it became an issue?
Did you?
Why?
I tried. It's not working.
Oh,
Let the thing go.
you're fucking hurting me!
Stop it.
I didn't do anything!
Really?
I didn't do
Really?
anything! What did I do?
All right, come on, stand up. Let's go. Come on. Hey!
No! I need my papers! I need my documents on my computer!
Knock it
That's
off.
my homework! That's my homework!
Where's your car?
That's my homework, please!
Knock it off.
No, that's my homework! My wallet! Everything's in
We're gonna bring all your stuff now.
No,
Knock it off.
Hey! I need my ID! I need my wallet!
Search him. Make sure you get on.
Okay.
No, I need my ID! I need my wallet!
You're gonna get everything. Calm down.
No, I need my ID! I need my wallet! It's all over
You'll
there.
get everything. Calm down.
Oh, wow.
This is ridiculous.
I just wanted my documentation!
Then you would have got it if you listened.
I did!
Let's go. Stand up and get in the
I
car.
know! I'm not getting arrested for
Yes,
this!
you are. Get in the car.
Why am I getting arrested?
Because now you're getting arrested for refusing to move and assaulting a police officer. Get in the car.
I didn't assault the police officer!
Get in.
No!
Man, you're gonna get pulled in if you don't get in that arm.
You're gonna get tased in 1 second.
I didn't assault a police officer! My fuck! I need your backpack!
Put your feet in! Hey!
I need my backpack, please!
Hey!
I
Get
need
in the
my
car.
backpack, please!
Hey, you want to be tased?
Please! I just wanted my paperwork. Why? Why is that such a problem?
Yeah. Whew. Welcome back.
I think she probably has something in her bag she doesn't want you guys to know. So she might be from you guys around the corner somewhere. I'm sorry. I told you I was frightened.
I did not think
Two men on
I told you we were going to be back.
2 men on a young lady? It's just crazy to me.
She's an animal.
All right, so this is her stuff.
Hang on, I got her clothes on.
Oh yeah, thanks.
This is her paperwork. I never want to see the lady again. I don't
Perfect.
know what I need to do for
right.
that, trespassing or whatever, but
She already knows she's trespassed. She caused an issue, so.
okay. Well, thank you. I apologize.
No, it's okay.
I've never in my life seen something that crazy, but I guess that's normal for you guys.
The area she might have dropped.
Yeah, I only saw something this crazy one other time, and it was me fighting another girl like that.
It's always the girls.
I'll tell you what, I will fight 3
Can I
guys
put this
his
out?
size
Is that okay?
before one girl.
She,
Is there a number in here somewhere?
she wouldn't fill out any paperwork for us, and that was the overall issue.
Okay.
Stay in jail longer. Let's go. No more fighting. Let's go. Come on. You'll get out today if you don't fight.
You're gonna get more charges if you
The
don't
faster
fight.
you get there, the faster you get out. As soon as you get up. We're gonna put them in the front, but you gotta stand up. We're gonna take those off and put them in the front, all right? What's your first name? What's your name? Karina. We're gonna put them in the front. Stand up. Yep. You
Those
gotta
were
stand
really
up.
loose on you too.
You gotta stand up. Hang on to that. Okay. Okay. Here.
Let me see that one.
Here. Hang on. No, you gotta put them in the front, or we're gonna put them in the back. Where do you want them? Here. Oh, stop! It's not tight. No, it's not tight.
hurts from the being on it.
All right, hang on.
Squeezing my wrist.
All right, hang on. Okay. You're good. It is not tight. If I can get my finger, it's cool. Okay.
Yeah, you didn't even try to put your finger through it.
Okay, here, watch your head.
Come on, get up in there, all right? Come on. Sit right up in the corner. All the way over.
The woman was charged with trespassing and resisting with violence. Her bond was set at $5,000.